Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about carbon dioxide laser according to um, energy level diagram, and it is another gaseous laser. And carbon dioxide laser is based on the principle of four level energy molecule system, and the laser transition that occurred between excited state to ground state energy level. And we know that the carbon dioxide molecule consisting of a central carbon atom with two oxygen atom attached on either side of the central carbon atom. So there are three independent mode of the vibration of a carbon dioxide molecule. First is stretch mode, second is bending mode, and third is asymmetric mode. इन तीनों मोड की वजह से ही रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लेज़र ट्रांजिशन के लिए, क्योंकि फोर एनर्जी लेवल के अलावा एक पार्शियल एनर्जी लेवल मेटास्टेबल एनर्जी लेवल भी जनरेट हो जाती है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के अंदर, और इंफ्रारेड के साथ साथ अल्ट्रावायलेट और लेज़र ट्रांजिशन को इमिट करता है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मॉलिक्यूल. So the construction of carbon dioxide laser is the carbon dioxide laser consists of a discharge tube of cross sectional area about 1.5 mm square, and length is about 250 mm, and the discharge tube is filled with a mixture of carbon dioxide, nitrogen gas and helium gas in a ratio of 1:2:3, and some water vapor is also added to the discharge tube because to control the collision between the carbon dioxide, nitrogen and helium atom. The working principle is based on four energy level system. When current passes through the discharge tube, the nitrogen molecule get excited to metastable state, and this excited nitrogen molecule collide with carbon dioxide molecule, and carbon dioxide molecule are excited to E5 level of energy, and carbon dioxide molecule are also excited to E5 level through collision with electrons of a discharge tube, and the energy level between E3 to E4 level are act as a low metastable energy level. The population inversion is achieved between E5 level and E4 level to E3 level. The transition between E5 to E4 is infrared radiation of about wavelength 10 to the power 6 micrometer, and the transition between E5 to E3 is about wavelength 9.6 micrometer, and this transition is known as laser transition. The carbon dioxide laser is generally used in industries for cutting and welding, and the pressure of helium with CO2 carbon dioxide molecule decreases the population inversion in E3 by the collision, so there is no further transition of laser. So in case of carbon dioxide laser system, there is laser transition is only from E5 to E3, and further E3 to E1 energy level there is no continuous transition of any type of laser or radiation, because of the pressure of helium and carbon dioxide decreases. So the population inversion of molecule in these energy level is also decreased. Thank you.